Hello everyone, today we present to you the DJI Mavic 3 drone. Awaken your creative side. DJI Mavic 3, the drone that takes you to new heights. Are you passionate about photography and video? Do you dream of capturing incredible aerial images that will take your breath away? Stop dreaming and start flying with the DJI Mavic 3. Imagine. Soar over stunning landscapes and capture postcard-perfect images. Record 5.1K videos with sharpness and fluidity that will leave you speechless. Fly with complete confidence thanks to the omnidirectional sensors that avoid obstacles. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of worry-free flight. Share your creations with the world and surprise everyone with your talent. The DJI Mavic 3 makes it possible. Hasselblad camera with 4/3 CMOS sensor. Capture photos and videos with professional quality that will leave you speechless. 5.1K video recording. Enjoy incredible definition and fluidity in your videos. Omnidirectional sensors. Fly in complete safety and avoid collisions with obstacles. Flight time up to 46 minutes. Enjoy more time in the air to capture the best shots. Advanced auto return. Return your drone home with the touch of a button. 15 km video transmission. Maintain a stable connection with your drone even at long distances. Limited time offer. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase the DJI Mavic 3 with an irresistible discount. Reserve yours now. What are you waiting for to live the experience of flying? Start creating content that elevates you to new heights. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 content creators already use it and recommend it. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best drone I have ever owned. The image quality is incredible and the flight time is unbeatable. Pedro, professional photographer. It is the perfect drone for beginners and professionals. It is easy to use and allows you to capture incredible images. Maria, travel YouTuber. Thanks to the DJI Mavic 3, I have been able to take my content to another level. I am very satisfied with this drone. 1. Extreme sports influencer. Don't miss this unique opportunity. DJI Mavic 3, your perfect ally to capture the magic of the world from a unique perspective. What are you waiting for to awaken your creative side?